In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Notion, issues, and PRs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live syncing database in Notion that mirrors your GitHub issues or pull requests. You'll need access to a Notion workspace and a GitHub account with permission to view the issues or PRs you want to bring in. Start in Notion and open the page or database where you want this integration to live. This can be any team space or personal page. Keep that page open, then switch over to GitHub and copy the URL of the specific issue or pull request you want to sync. The simplest way is to open the issue or PR in your browser and copy the link from the address bar. Head back to Notion and paste that link directly into the page. Notion recognizes GitHub links and will offer two choices: paste as preview or paste as database. Select paste as database. A preview gives you a single static card with limited info, while a database sets up a structured, continuously updating table that's far more useful for tracking work. If this is your first time connecting GitHub, Notion will prompt you to sign in and authorize access. Follow the on-screen steps to connect your GitHub account. Make sure you grant access to the organizations and repositories you intend to sync. You can adjust permissions later if needed, and only authorized content will appear in Notion. After you choose paste as database, Notion will automatically create a database, or if you're doing this inside an existing database, it will add the synced item there. You'll see properties that mirror GitHub's fields, such as title, status, assignee, labels, and the original URL. Notion immediately pulls in the data from the linked issue or PR, and it continues to sync updates from GitHub going forward. That means when someone changes the title, status, or labels in GitHub, those changes flow into Notion without you lifting a finger. You can personalize how you work with this database without breaking the sync. Reorder or hide properties to keep the most important details front and center. Add your own Notion-only properties, like priority, internal notes, or due dates, for context that lives alongside the synced fields. If you prefer different ways of viewing the same data, create filters or views to focus on a specific repo, BO, label, or assignee. That's it. Paste the GitHub issue or PR link, choose paste as database, authorize if prompted, and let Notion handle the ongoing sync. This simple setup gives you a reliable, always up-to-date tracker for your development work right inside Notion.